shoot! Whoa! What is this? Oh, it's a flash flood warning. Flash flood warning!
Southwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee. 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
WXK 63.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source:
WSM.
Afghanistan or any other country flash flood warning for urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other forestry southwestern Williamson County. Some locations they will experience still daylight time. That's highly. Santa Fe, Weavers Creek, including the Warren area, Columbia, Flash Flood Station, I-65 east of Columbia, and Williamsport.
Holy shoot.
Around by thunderstorm when encountering flooded roads. Radar. Most of flooded security vehicles in small creeks and streams.
I want to hear something.
Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and long thunderstorm will impact portions of the location will experience flash flooding includes Carter's Creek, including areas in Springhill and Minneapolis, Snow Creek, including Central Wheeler Creek, including McLean, Columbia, Thompson Station, I-65 east of Columbia, and Williamsport.
Nope, we're not doing it. Okay. WNPT's next. Here they go.
Yep.
Oh no, here we go again.
Warning for North Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Illinois County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Dude, what are they airing? Okay, first off, what are they airing? Okay, Dropbox, I literally don't care. You've been open for all your life.
Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding in small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other forward drainage and low-lying areas.
Their CG always looks nice, but it's never good when you see it on WNPT.
Areas near Springhill and Minneapolis, Snow Creek, including Santa Fe, Weavers Creek, including McKnight and Fly, Columbia, Thompson Station, I-65 east of Columbia, and Williamsport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Holy shoot.
Flood depths occur in vehicles.
Here we go. WNPT. Here we go! Here we go! Oh! Oh.
Eastern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding
WSM?
or forcibly taking girls. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
WSM's relaying. WSM's relaying.
Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Maury County in Middle Tennessee. Some locations will experience flash flooding include.
Go to WNPT. Holy shoot.
Locations that will experience flash flooding include Green Lick Creek, Big Bigby and Little Bigby Creek, Scotts Creek, and areas near Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Colioga, Williamsport, and Hampshire. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
actually was pretty
In time. Just in time. WNPT.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, west central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused
Holy
by
shoot.
thunderstorms. Source: radar.
Maury County again.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greenwood Creek, Big Bigby and Little Bigby Creek, Scott Creek, and areas near Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Colioga, Williamsport, and Hampshire. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Okay then.